Hi, and we're back at the Transparency House. I'm now with Peter from Holland Water. So please, could you please introduce Holland Water for me?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having me here in this wonderful location in the Dutch Pavilion on the Expo. Holland Water is a water tech company. We supply water treatment systems, potable water and for cooling towers, based on a technology of copper-silver ionization, which is a highly efficacious water treatment system to disinfect the water.
Okay, so you deliver to the Dubai Expo, I heard. You have 21 systems in place.
Yeah, that's true. So the strength of the technology is that it's capable of either avoiding or removing the growth of biofilm, and biofilm is the breeding ground for bacteria to become a problem. So what we basically do is prevent the risk of Legionella, which is a huge risk in countries like this with a high temperature, where the water is vulnerable for those situations. At Expo, we've been successful over the last couple of years to work with our local partner, Culligan Middle East, who are a strong supplier of water tech, in a broader way, and through their presence and strength, we've been able to supply to 23 locations on this Expo site our systems. So in combination with Culligan Solutions, we've been successful. In this pavilion we have two systems. One is in the basement, treating the incoming DEWA water, and one is on the rooftop, treating the circulation of the biotope. But amongst that we have big systems in the main pavilions, thematic districts, opportunity, mobility, sustainability. We have a huge system at the Dubai Exhibition Center. We have 6 systems in the Al Wasl Dome, all those parcels. There's the village with all the parcels where people live. We have systems. Then getting here with the metro, the North and the South line, those 7 stations, we have a Holland Water BiFiPro system to secure safe water for the people arriving here and staying here.
So this is great. So we have Holland Water securing the water for us in a sustainable way. So can you please explain within SDG 6 targets and the sustainability of water treatment how Holland Water has a solution?
Yeah, I think there are a number of elements quite relevant for the future. That is avoiding the waste of water, reducing the CO2 footprint, and in the end lowering the operational cost of the end user, of building owners. And we have proven over the last 18 years that our technology, which basically is a replacement for chlorine, and chlorine is less effective, but through the installation of, let's say, innovative water tech solutions, we are able to reduce the wastage of water, reduce hot water temperatures, which is saving energy, and thereby, as a total package, give end users a more sustainable, more economic solution for the longer term.
Well, this is great. We got it all. Well, thank you so much for your time, Peter, and check out Holland Water and check out Transparency House. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.